Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to show screen in Google Meeting. So when you're in a meeting, for example, I'm going to start an instant meeting. So when you are in a meeting like this in Google Meet and then you want to do some presentation and want to show your screen, you can just do that by clicking on the three dots icon right here, and then you'll find the share screen option. This is the same as the show screen, so just click on this, and then there will be a warning that people will see everything on your screen including notification. So if you want to just start it, just click on start sharing and click on start now, and then just like that, now you're sharing your screen with everyone, and then you can just start with your presentation. Okay, when you're done, just click on the stop sharing, and that's all for me. That is how you can show screen in Google Meeting. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.